Another 30-plus performance tonight for Paul George. He had 32. And with Westbrook being out, he's really picking up the slack. You see him making it splash. In transition, gets a quick pick, drives to the baseline, a one-legged leaner, looking like Dirk in the post, but he was coming off the dribble. Devin Booker on the other end, they're going to give him the space. He's going to knock down the three. Thunder have already defeated the Suns twice this season. They're looking to do it a third time. DeAndre Ayton with the backdoor lob. That looked really nice. TJ Warren fakes the three, gets Adams up in the air, takes him to the rim for the tough layup. Paul George skips the pass to Schroeder, who gives it to Grant behind the back to Adams. The Thunder, they're really having fun now. They had a disastrous start to the season, but now everything is clicking. Paul George, a nice catch and shoot out of the inbounds play. It's a double-digit lead. They're looking to hang on to that lead. The Suns once again find themselves in a hole at the end of a game. Do they have enough time to make the comeback? Another three gets them a little bit closer. Timeout Thunder. They're starting to feel the heat on the road. Schroeder throws up the lob to Adams. That's an and one. He was pushed by Crawford. And then Schroeder comes off the screen, finds Paul George for the three. Thunder go on to win. They're 10-5 now. I've got to let them talk a little bit more. We're going to fire, obviously, but we want them to make a threat, and then I'm going to let it fly. You know the rules.
Now, friend, I ain't asking for much. Please, I am kind of desperate.